Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be making a cooking video.
Few minutes later.
We're gonna be trying different hacks, making toast. And we'll see what happens from there. So of course we're gonna have our bread. Next we're going to have our turkey bacon. Next, might just put on some oatmeal. You know how much we love oatmeal, right? I'm back. Everything we need right here. So of course we have our black pepper, mustard, complete seasoning, salt, and of course the thing, behold, the PAM spray, the non-sticking spray. Very useful. Now let's get our pan. Found it. Let's get cooking. So now that we have that done, let's spray our pan onto our pan. There we go. Just recording from my phone because I don't have a fancy camera. Next thing we should do now is to get our bread. We're gonna season this. I don't know how I'm gonna season it yet, but I want it to be like very savory. So let's see what we can do. New recording position. I think this is way better, right? Alright. So now that we have our bread, let's go ahead and let's make this first because it's about to get very hot in here, even though it's already about 90 degrees here. This is my first time doing these type of videos, so sorry if I'm a little awkward in some moments of the video. Trying out different things as a content creator. So make sure you guys wash your hands. I wash my hands. I know comments are gonna say something about it. So now let's get our board. Let's go on and season it up. Let's perhaps use salt. Okay, and let's get some, I know what I'm missing, some good old olive oil. Sir, the best type, if you want to know what type it is Calavita extra virgin olive oil. It's the premium Italian. Very fancy. Let me pour this bad boy in there. Make sure it spreads evenly so. Now, I'm gonna put our bread in there. I really don't know if I want to use the complete seasoning yet. I might do it without it. We'll see, we'll see. I know I'm gonna put black pepper with it. For sure, for sure. Now that we have our bread, come here, camera. Let's put it in our... Yeah, we're gonna make it one by one. Don't wanna stress myself out, you know. We're gonna start with that first. God, I need the windows open.
Few minutes later.
Just lost the footage.